What is paper trading? Paper trading stocks is a simulated trading process where you practice buying and selling stocks without using real money. It's a great way for beginners to learn how the stock market works and for experienced traders to test new strategies. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to paper trade stocks. Educate yourself. Before you start paper trading, it's essential to have a basic understanding of the stock market, how it operates, and the various trading strategies. Choose a platform. Select a paper trading platform. Many online brokerage platforms offer simulated trading accounts where you can practice without risking real money. Some popular platforms include thinkorswim by TD Ameritrade, Paper Money by Tastyworks, and TradingView. Open a simulated account. Sign up for a paper trading account on your chosen platform. This account will provide you with virtual money to use for trading. Familiarize yourself with the platform. Take some time to explore the features of the paper trading platform. Understand how to place buy and sell orders, set stop-loss orders, and execute different types of trades. Set a virtual budget. Decide on the amount of virtual money you want to start with. This amount should represent what you would realistically invest if you were trading with real money. Create a trading plan. Develop a trading plan with specific goals, risk tolerance, and strategies. This will help you stay focused and disciplined during your paper trading experience. Start trading. Begin placing virtual trades based on your analysis and strategy. Pay attention to the market conditions, news, and any other factors that might impact your decisions. Track your performance. Keep a record of your trades, including entry and exit points, reasons for the trade, and the outcome. This will help you analyze your performance and identify areas for improvement. Learn from mistakes. Understand that you may make mistakes, and that's okay. Treat each trade as a learning opportunity. Analyze your losing trades to identify what went wrong and adjust your strategy accordingly. Experiment with different strategies. Use the paper trading platform to test various trading strategies. This is a risk-free environment where you can refine your approach and find what works best for you. Several online brokerage platforms offer paper trading services, allowing users to practice trading with virtual money before risking real capital. As of my knowledge cutoff in January 2022, here are some companies that provide paper trading options. TD Ameritrade, thinkorswim. TD Ameritrade's thinkorswim platform is widely recognized for its advanced trading tools. They offer a paper money feature, which is a paper trading simulation that allows users to practice trading without using real money. Tastyworks, Paper Money. Tastyworks is a brokerage platform known for options trading. They provide a paper trading feature called Paper Money, allowing users to practice options and equity trading. Interactive Brokers, IBKR Paper Trading. Interactive Brokers is a well-established brokerage that offers a paper trading platform known as IBKR Paper Trading. It's a simulation tool that allows users to practice trading without risking real money. E-Trade, Paper Trading. E-Trade is a popular brokerage platform that provides a paper trading feature. Users can practice trading stocks, options, and other securities with virtual money. Fidelity, Fidelity Virtual Trading. Fidelity is a widely used brokerage platform that offers a virtual trading feature. It allows users to practice trading stocks, options, and other assets in a simulated environment. Alpaca, Paper Trading API. Alpaca is a commission-free API-first stock brokerage. They offer a paper trading feature through their API, which allows users to test and automate trading strategies. TradingView, Paper Trading. TradingView is a charting platform that also provides paper trading functionality. Users can simulate trades, test strategies, and analyze their performance using TradingView. Before choosing a platform, consider factors such as the features offered, ease of use, and whether it aligns with your trading goals. Additionally, keep in mind that the availability of paper trading features may change over time, so it's a good idea to check with the specific brokerage for the most up-to-date information. Gradually, transition to real trading. Once you feel confident in your paper trading results and have a solid understanding of the market, consider transitioning to real trading with a small amount of capital. Start with a sizable portion of your virtual budget and gradually increase it as you gain more experience and confidence. Paper trading doesn't replicate the emotional aspect of real trading entirely, but it can be a valuable tool for skill development and strategy testing. The content of this video is not an investment advice and does not constitute any offer or solicitation to offer or recommendation of any investment product. It is for general purposes only and does not take into account your individual needs, investment objectives, and specific financial circumstances.